Hey guys, you're watching Nifty Under 50. My name is Maj, and every video I try to bring you clever little pieces of tech that can help you in your everyday life. And today is no different. In fact, today's product is called the iCLEVER foldable wireless keyboard. Now it works with Windows, iOS and Android. Doesn't work with Nokia because, well, you know, I mean, come on. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, well, I'll just take my laptop. I can take my laptop everywhere. Okay, that's true, but there are times where you can't take your laptop everywhere. You don't have access to your laptop bag, or you haven't got the space, so you take one of these. So I'm going to check this out for you, because that's what I do here. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. Wow, okay. Presented quite nicely there. That's how you will see the open box. So it comes in a nice velvety material case. Kind of amazed at how small this is. Okay, just an instruction manual there. And we've got a USB to micro USB connector. And there we go. That's all it is. That's all this is. Wow. That's pretty neat. That's all it is. That's amazing. It's called iCLEVER because this is pretty clever. Now, you've got a full range of keys here. You don't have a number keypad there for obvious reasons. We do have them across the top as usual. So this could be for students, schoolgoers, journalists, business people, anyone who needs to write up stuff on the go. Okay, to pair this up with iOS, because I'm using an iPhone, you press the function key, which is the FN, and C, and then the Bluetooth light will flash, which is the blue one on the left here, and then it comes up, it's there. We are connected, gonna give it a go now. It works. I mean, I was expecting it to work, but I mean, to see it work is like magic, to be honest. So okay, it feels okay. You know, I've got big hands, and I thought the keys would be a problem. They're okay. I mean, obviously, you've got to understand this is a substitute for your laptop. Okay, so you know it's not going to be your laptop. Otherwise, you would just bring your laptop. Now, it's got a 10-meter Bluetooth range. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminium, so it's supposed to be very solid. This. It's got an auto power off mode, so if you close the keyboard, it goes into battery saving mode, which is a good feature. And from what I've read, you get 80 hours of typing from a full charge. So that's quite a lot. Now, I have been using this for about an hour or so, and the only sort of issue I have with it is every time I tap onto the right or the left hand side, the keyboard just shakes like that. Now, I don't know how they would get away from this, but it's quite annoying to use. So that could be something that they could improve. Now, it was only £23 on Amazon, pretty cheap, and I think it is definitely a clever little sort of gadget. As I said, this is not going to replace your laptop, not at all. But it's a great upgrade from using your mobile phone. Much better. Because of how small it is, it's definitely something that you could buy and just keep in your bag as a backup. So if you want to buy this, I will put it in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself. So if you do want to see more clever little gadgets, please subscribe. I'm releasing videos every week. You've been watching Nifty Under 50. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.